Hi, this is Keith Bryan, Global SMT and Packaging Magazine, on the Axis Automation stand at Productronica India 2025, and I'm here with their CEO, Rakesh Shetty. Good afternoon, Rakesh. Thank you for having us here. Maybe you have a busy stand, you have a lot of equipment, maybe you can give us some of the highlights.
Yeah, thanks, Keith. Nice seeing you after a long time, and good to have you here, as always.
Thank you.
And the machines are the highlights for this year. We have partnered with Micronic. We have the jet printer, the SPI, and the pick and place machine on our stand. And apart from that, we also have the laser marking machine from Osai, and the stencil cleaning machine, which is manufactured in India, we have on display. And these are a few of the key machines we have here this year.
Oh, so you have a stencil printer made in India?
It's a stencil cleaning machine.
Oh, sorry, cleaner.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. We do have it made in India. So
wow.
A little interesting, right?
Yeah, it seems to be part of the push from Make in India now to not only have product made, but have the equipment to make the product.
Yes. So it's interesting to see more and more manufacturing of machineries happening in India, which we didn't see in the past. So I think it's a good push, and I think we'll see more and more machines being manufactured in India. I think you're also aware that Heller also is manufacturing now in India. So these are, I think, few stepping stones, I would say, and then it's gradually picking up.
Yeah, and as you say, once a few get to see it, and if it works, and I'm sure it is working for everybody, then more will join for sure.
Absolutely. I agree with you on this. So I think that's one of the things which we would like to see more and more. Indian companies manufacturing machines instead of even like a basic conveyors being imported from China and stuff like that. Yes.
Oh yeah, you definitely have the people and the technology and the ability to do it here.
Yes, we do. Yeah.
But also you're representing very premium brands as well. So you must be seeing an uptake in the market from the Make in India for manufacturing.
Yes, we have the defense and aerospace in India. There's a huge investment, and there's a huge push by the government to make in India, and these kind of companies are ensuring that most of the companies are manufacturing in India, and then there's a benchmark that you need to have at least 60 to 80% of the components being locally used, and not that you're importing the whole machines and from overseas. So I think that's one of the driving factors to ensure that there's a push that we should manufacture within India.
Yeah. And you think the Make in India momentum is going to carry on for a lot more years, or?
Yeah, definitely yes, because it's not only the vision of the government, but I think even the people. If you take us, we have been working in the SMT industry for over 30 years. I think this should have happened 10 years ago. I feel so, but it's never too late.
Yeah. I mean, Make in India was started. I remember I was at the Productronica at the time, 2014, and international people who left the meeting with me said, "Yeah, 6 months, it won't go any further." But it's definitely been I travel and see a lot of places around the world and a lot of conferences and exhibitions.
Yes.
And the Make in India momentum is the strongest of anything that I've seen by far.
Yeah. Like you said, you travel all over and you've seen so many things, and India is also not new to you.
Yeah.
I think we would have had I would have met you the first time more than 15 years ago. And things haven't changed much as far as you go, but you've always seen every time you come there's some kind of improvement.
Oh, there's a huge improvement every time. And I talk to some of the EMS companies, and they're adding 10 lines, 15 lines a year. Some of them are adding, like, even I spoke to a gentleman this morning who in 3 years has gone from 8 factories to 14 factories. So everybody is increasing, but even the what I would describe as the smaller niche guys are also increasing dramatically. So it's like, it's an across the board change, which, you just don't see anywhere else.
Yeah. So, always, people try to compare us, with, the subject is India and China, right? I usually don't like to compare it because it's a totally different market.
Yep.
The mindset is totally different, and the kind of manufacturing we do here is different. We are, I would say, not in that volume kind of business, but it's picking up. Apple has invested huge through Foxconn in India. They have set up a few plants in the last 1 year or so. We have plants coming up in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, and stuff like that. So it is, momentum is there, and then it's not only, and apart from this, I also find a lot of, new startups within India, Indian companies who are also growing, right? It's not only you would have seen companies which have started 15, 20 years ago. There was like a slow momentum, but in the last couple of years, they have actually picked up. Like you said, rightly said, the lines they had, maybe the 4 or 5, but the last 2 years, they have 15 now and 20, It's a huge leap.
Yeah, and I think there will be a few more steps over the next few years as well in coming out of India.
Yes. Yeah, I also look forward to that.
Yeah, because now you're getting into the semiconductor and other areas. You're looking at the whole make in India from like beginning to end.
Yeah.
And, for me, it's, being an outside person coming in here a couple of times a year, it's really nice to see how everything is changing. But, for me, as you said earlier, the great thing is that everybody is positive and everybody is behind it and everybody believes in it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I'm hoping when I see you again next year, my friend, we can talk about even more success.
Thank you so much, Keith.
Not at all. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging on the Axis Automation stand, saying thank you for watching.
NMT Automation introduces the Mark series for uniform and precise laser marking. The Mark I, with a single laser source, ensures high accuracy marking on a single stage conveyor system. Meanwhile, the Mark II delivers laser marking with a flipper for both sides of the PCB, offering flexibility, efficiency, and superior quality for all your traceability needs in the electronics manufacturing industry.